So this is a pretty straightforward, quick lesson. Just a reminder, you can do formatting. Anything you need to do is up here in the home bar. So I'm going to make these slightly different. And I'm going to put borders around. Ignore this error message. I'm also going to put on some currency. Remember, we said that that was important. Now, to begin with, what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to sort and filter the information. So if you highlight the whole table, there's a button in the top right here called Sort and Filter. If you click on this, and you can go to Filter. So we're going to look at the filters first because they're quite easy to do. So what I can do is, because I've turned on the filters now, I can actually filter it by year. So I can press this drop down menu and untick select all and just see the information from 2003. I'm going to select them all again. Maybe I only want to see the information from 2015. Or maybe I want to see 2015 and 2013. So what you can do is you can do filters based on what you see. The other thing you can also do is you can do filters. So if I go on here on price, I can do number filters and say only show me the cars that cost more than or equal to 3,800. So let's just click on that. So 3800 and click OK, and you can see it's only showing me the cars where there's a price that is greater than or equal to 3,800. Now I can take that off by pressing select all and it will show them all again. So that's how you filter information. Now if you want to sort the information, so you go to Sort and Filter again. Go to Custom Sort. Now, if you've highlighted the table correctly, as I have here, you should be able to go to Sort By and pick which column. So, for example, I might want to do fuel and sort it to A to Z and click OK. And you can see that it now keeps all of that together and the information has been sorted. Make sure you highlight the whole table, because if you only highlight one area, it only sorts that information. So if I go to Custom Sort, it would only sort the two columns on the left and everything else will be out of sync. So make sure you highlight the whole lot when you do this. So you go to Sort and Filter, Custom Sort, and you can choose which one. So I'm going to go price, smallest to largest. That means ascending. Click OK, and I now have my cheapest car at the top and my most expensive one at the bottom. So that's lesson 3 on how to sort and filter information.